guys! Welcome to another vlog. We're with hubby again.
Hey.
So we are going to pick up mom. Alam mo yung intro ko talaga dapat dear, paulit-ulit na i-record ko na lang. Kasi lagi naman ganun, punta kami kay mom, we'll pick her up, and we're going to the store. We're going to kainan. So sana makapag-vlog tayo kasi balita ko may lechon daw. But anyway, ayun, Costco ata kami at saka Walmart. Yun naman ang laging aming routine. So yun lang ang happiness namin dito. Pero for sure next week mag-Burlington kami na. But anyway, so tingnan natin kung ano natin ganap natin today. Mag-grocery tayo. At meron ako ditong notebook, yung ating mga grocery. Na feeling ko may dadagdag na naman tayo. Huwag tayo ma-over budget. Ang budget lang natin for today's video ay $150 to $200 maximum, kung hanggang next week na siguro yun. I will not early kasi babalik pa kami next week sa store. But yun lang guys, mga sis. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. See you later. Costco. Parang ang dami na naman tao. We are here at Costco. Parang gusto ko bilhin to. Yes, $29. Ito yung sinasabi ng friend ko. Pinakita ko na to before eh. Tsaka na nga lang mga sis, di natin kailangan yan. And $34. Actually, $22.99 Neutrogena. Oh, never mind. So, ito yung listahan natin. Let's see what's here. Costco. We have blackout curtains. So, that's how much? $20.99. I want the gray. They have blue, dark gray, and then they also have white. I'm thinking if I should get this actually. Bilhin ko na kaya para sa bedroom. Should I get this white one or should I get the blue one? When I think about it, because that's not on the list. We're gonna check out some towels here. I already have one towel, pero I think I'm gonna get one more. Kasi again, my uncle is coming to Anchorage soon. So, siguro tong white na lang. Or maybe this color or gray. I don't know. I'm probably just going to get one para may extra towel siya pagdating, mga sis. And then we have bed sheets. So we are going here to the cat section or animal pet stuff. Wala siya sa list, but I don't know if we should get Makara this. But it's too big. It's $24.49. Wala siya sa list, so wag natin siya kunin, mga sis. Actual here. So I'm gonna get this. Kuha tayo nito sa baba. Mango thigh. Salad, that's $6.99. Strawberries. Pili tayo. We'll get this one. Alright, we're gonna head out. We have chicken for $4.99. Bago na yung packaging nila. Nice. So, naka-sale tong vegetable spring rolls nila. Just gonna get one. Just gonna get one of these. Wala yan sa lista natin, pero ilagay natin yan dyan mga sis. And so hubby needs juice. Who wants juice? Babalik tayo sa mga drinks. I'll just get the drinks at Walmart. Chocolate truffles are on sale. Sarap nito. And pati itong parang pang Easter siya. Naka-sale na $9.99. Exit na tayo ng Costco. Walmart naman tayo after. Ma, come here. Video kita. Kasi mag-vlog. I'm with Crystal. Guys, like, share, subscribe to my channel, guys. Lagi ako like, share, and subscribe. Momo, come here. Ay, ayaw, nahiya. Sige na, pagiwain na kami. I miss you, Tal.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
I miss you. I can see you.
Have a safe flight. Ang ganda mo talaga. Okay, bye. Nakita ko si Cristel. So, bibili tayo ng ating mga kailangan ngayon. Ay, alam mo, parang gusto ko magdala ng tripod next time. Parang ayoko na talaga mahiya mag-vlog. Ang daming naka-sale. Clearance. Parang hindi naman daw masarap yan. Ay, ito. Parang masarap to. Dipped granola bars. Tingnan natin yung sugar. Sugar. We'll see. Put tayo ng crab sticks. We already got bread. Are getting this one instead. Cheddar cheese. Para sa laundry at fabric conditioner aisle. Hanap tayo ng pang fabric something. Hawaiian. Pet. And then we have linen. Ito mukhang mabango rin siya. Magkano to? $3.73. I kind of want to try it for summer. Okay, para sa mga fabric, mga carpet, pwede rin yan. Oh, eto naka-sale na lang siya. $198 na lang, dating $228. I'm gonna get one of these. Blooming lavender. Medyo matchy lavender. May lavender pa rin. Pwede na yan. Have Oreos. Nakasili yung mga Oreos. May Oreos pa tayo sa bahay. Tiramisu. We're gonna get butter now. Oh no, cream cheese. Let me see. Parang mas gusto ko yung whipped. Ito na lang siguro. Or dun tayo sa maliit. Siguro yung ito na lang. Medyo malaki. Ayan. Actually, babalik ko to. You know why? Kasi naalala ko, gusto pala ni Happy may flavors. Merong chive onion. Dalawa bilhin natin. And then isang light. Butter. Oh, shoot. What the heck? Hindi siya magpakuha mga sis. Ayaw magpakuha. Masyado nilang in-stock sa loob. Punta na tayo sa juice. Gusto niya ng juice. Dahil tayo nakabili sa Costco. Ito tayo bibili. So this is $2.12. Gonna get this one. Ayan. Got this milk. Doesn't expire until May 1st. Mas mura yan. Yan na lang bilhin natin. Bibili tayo ng wipes. Dalawang wipes. I'm actually gonna get Macar some of these. I forgot what I got, pero she really liked this one eh. Chicken, tapos ito chicken and tuna ata. And then, ano ba to? Oh, ito na bibiling ko. Got two of these. We need to get a trash can na mataas para sa ating kitchen. Alam niyo, kuha tayo toothpick. Wala kasi tayo nito. Ayan. The hallway. At sana sa bathroom. So, ito yung iba't ibang colors na mura lang. I don't know if I'm gonna get this one. Accent rug siya, pero pwede siya sa bathroom mo. See? So, we'll see. I think about it. If I'll get this one or I'll get this one. You'll find out later. So, ito na pili natin. Para medyo malapit-lapit sa color ng aming carpet. So, yan. Feeling ko perfect to for the vinyl. Mouthwash. So, pili tayo ng magandang mouthwash. Uy, naka-sale to. $5.72 na lang. $5.72. Ito na lang kunin natin. This one. Meron din silang isa Bacteria Blast. I don't know which one is better. I'll just get this one. Balikan natin ito. I need to find a good peeler. Kasi yung peeler na binili ko sa Temu ay nasira agad. Nakakainis. Hindi na ako uulit. This one. Kaya pili tayo ng nasa likod. Sana po matibay ito. Balikan natin ito dyan. $10. Bathroom rug. Ngayon ay magbabayad ng mga sis. Marami na tayong nabili. So yan. I'll see you later. I'm gonna get one of these. Pinili ko yung pink. Tapos ito mga pinamili natin. Pinili ko na yung peach kasi parang meron pa naman ako doon. Yun lang gagamitin natin for kitchen tsaka sa hallway. Dapat nakagano'n at may tripod tayo dyan. Massage. Hindi pa kami sa party. Handaan. Oh, massage. Sorry. Rest muna kami. May lechon. Hello everyone! So, it's been a while. Galing kami sa birthday party. Tapos pinakita ko kanina yung clip ng di ba, ng lechon. Yun lang. Medyo pagod na kapag karaoke tayo ng slide. Pero, hindi ko alam kung babalik pa kami. Pero, I kinda wanna go back. Kasi nga maraming Pilipino doon. Mga bait sina ate. But anyway, yun lang. Hindi na ako mag-haul video sa bahay. Pag uwi namin, ilalagay na namin sa fridge lahat. Huwag kayo mag-alala kasi yung milk and everything else is nasa insulated bag siya. So, everything is still the same. Busog na busog kami. So, ano pa ba sasabihin ko? Yun lang. I'll probably see you on my next vlog. I think tomorrow, me and Habi will do a vlog together. But, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. At salamat kung natapos nyo itong video na ito hanggang sa dito sa portion na ito. Thank you again. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and happy weekend.